It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase these rules and every day. All I wanna hear is an everything's how we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Because it's a way. I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around.
Thank you. I've never had this before.
You never had this?
No. What are you talking about? I don't do it.
You sure?
I'm sure.
Oh my god, that's so like in my conscience, babe. The little blueberry thing, fritter things, donut things. I thought they were.
Huh?
I bet it's really good with that that yogurt there.
Wow.
Hiding in the closet. My husband's looking for me. He's gonna start freaking out.
Oh my god, girl.
You okay with myself?
Come through, I think I need you
Alright, y'all. So tomorrow, I'm about to do my birthday freebies like I did last year. I'm going to Sephora, Starbucks, Ulta, Crumble, Bunk Cakes, and I don't know where else. And Tory Burch. The Fab, 7? I don't know what number that was, but yep. First stop. And I have a $10 off of Macy's, but I don't know what I want from here. I don't really shop at Macy's like that anymore. I used to, but yep. Yeah, I got the YSL Absolute on. Y'all need to get that. That perfume is so freaking good. Ooh, YSL gave me a 10 or 15% off on too.
You got the little, what's it called, the little tripod in there. So you getting this posters right here?
Thank you. Thank you.
Well, what's that exactly?
Lip gloss and a brow gel.
Mm-hmm.
It's not that I want you here.
Yeah, unless you get two.
Right.
Yeah.
I usually do it every.
Was it as cute?
Hi. Oh, it's so cute. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Look at it. Oh my goodness, I love it.
Thank you. So you have a candle on there. What I was about to say. Usually I give a knife and cutting board, but I'm waiting for my shipment to come in. I ordered it almost like a month ago. So.
It's okay. It's okay. Thank you so much.
And then when you travel, you can just put it on the front passenger floor and then just put it in the refrigerator.
Okay. Thank you so much.
I'll be texting you.
Thank you. I'll be posting you.
Okay.
This is so cute. How cute is that? Wow.
Oh, you might have to sit in the back seat then.
Huh?
I said you might have to sit in the back seat then.
Well, I want to make sure I keep this.
Sound like a good mix. All right.
Yeah. I already ordered the wings and shrimp.
Thank you. Oh my God.
We have the box.
They got it.
Happy birthday to the birthday girl. Birthday girl.
Happy birthday. Many wishes. Y'all be on that night.
Okay, yes, thank you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Angel.
Happy birthday, song on 3.
I want to say happy birthday. That one. Okay.
I don't know how to word.
Okay, fine. Happy birthday. No, happy birthday. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
was that?
Ice Spice.
What?
Ice Spice.
That's not Ice Spice. That's
Ice Spice.
Yeah, I know who Spice is.
Ice Spice?
It's not Ice Spice. It's Spice. The one who made
That's what I'm saying.
She's like the dancing girl.
She just casually.
Is the sun blocking us? Stop it!
Quickly.
So silly.
Yeah, she only want one. So what are we doing now? Sit in the AC? Okay, let's go sit in our cold car.
I'm sorry.
Excuse me.
Wait. We missed one. We're doing an escape room. Yummy. I've never been to an escape room. What?
The one I went to, they didn't let you record.
Anyways, it's cute. This is called Exit Escape Miami. Say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog.
So vlog.
Say hi to the vlog. Hi. Say hi to the vlog. That's what time we'll be done.
So that's this one.
Okay, the Great Escape Room. Let's go. Oh wow, these are steep stairs. That's one of the rooms. The toilet's right there.
You sure? They're stuck in here, man.
Cool. It's my first time at an escape room, so I'm super excited. I know I gotta. It's super. Ooh, it's so mysterious in here. Okay, that was hilarious.
Did y'all put anything in the box?
Wait, we not supposed to come here? Then they gotta put all this back together? Oh my gosh, that was insane. Hey, we got 14 minutes.